توصل، انتظر السيارة توصل.
يعني هي صدرة؟
صدرة في ايش؟
اللوحة صدرة؟
لا السيارة ما وصلت.
والله؟
ليش يوصل؟
Wala, gusto ko malaki. Film na gusto ko yun.
Bakit dalawa?
Ayaw mo pa niyan? Wasak ka na, na.
Kasya na kasya lang sa inyo.
Ha? Di ba rin yung mag-start to? Start mo nga.
Paano?
Ha?
Paano?
Ayun. Ipasboot. Apakan mo yung preno. Apakan mo yung preno. Start mo yung apakan mo yung preno. Start mo yun. Apakan mo yung brake. Tapos start. Push button mo yung green. Yan. Bitawan mo na yung preno.
Baka dumaretso kuya.
Eh, naka-neutral naman eh.
Saan? Nakapark.
Nakapark naman eh.
May pa?
Fiat.
Ganads.
Ha?
Sino nakasigaw?
Yung ilaw. Ilaw na. Wow.
Paano malalaman?
عشان القياس عشان ما يضرب الفرشاة. خلاص.
Kuya, come in. Pero siya. Paano po?
Siyara eh. No, gandang-ganda ha. Grabe ngiti ha.
Nakunan mo ba kuya?
Tara na, baba na tayo. Sasakyan naman tingnan natin.
Yeah, maganda.
Bagay na bagay sa'yo, mahal ha. Alex, bagay na bagay sa'yo ha.
Dapat tinatras sa bante mo eh.
Hindi ko alam eh. Baka madali
Bihira
ko
pa
eh.
kita Mandiala.
Thank you kuya. Dads, sige na, pasok na, tignan mo. Ay, hindi pa ba? Ano ba tinitignan? Paano to kuya? Paano to buksan?
Atin mo lang muna to. Asan yung isa sasakyan? Ay, yung susi. Ilipat ko si tata rito sa kabila. Para makita ni kuya.
Ah, okay.
Ano yung paggawa niya?
Ay, ito na yung plate number natin.
Bagay ito sa'yo.
Pan-chicks, no?
Bibigay ito sa'yo.
Nakakaya naman.
Nasanay ka doon, bibigay sa'yo yan. Sige na kayo doon, sige na. Kabidyo na yun ba?
Ang ganda ng plate number. It works because it's keyless, right? Pag sa unang tingin, mukha siyang kotse, di ba?
Fit yan pag dalawa lang ang anak nyo eh. Tama lang yan, dalawang anak nyo.
Bilang.
Oo.
Pag lang tatlo, hindi mo bago.
Ay, malaki. Pag 7.
Ito
Ang cute ang ilaw niya, no?
LED nga daw yun.
Ang cute ang ilaw. Ang pag-light niya, mahaba eh. Pag-light.
Di ba kuya?
Actually,
6956.
Oo.
nung pumunta tayo dito, di ba? Kaya hindi natin nakita.
Hindi pa namin nakita to.
Hindi nakita?
Oo, ngayon lang.
Hindi namin nasakyan, hindi ko nasakyan.
Sakay ka na doon. Sakay ka na doon.
Every 10,000 needs to be changed oil. 10,000.
Pero kailangan hindi pa abutin ng 10,000. Synthetic naman yun.
This is the blind spot. You know the blind spot?
Just turn on.
Yeah, it is on. But when it is like that, the car inside the circuit, it's on. There's a note, it's on.
How will I be alerted? How will
To off it?
Yeah, no, I mean, if it's on
Okay.
in the road, how can I be alerted? I will.
If there is someone who
On
crossed
reverse.
by you,
Yeah.
okay? Here, you know the signal triangle?
Ah,
It will light on. Okay. This is the sensor. Now it is on. Like that, it's on. If it is lighting, it's on. Got it?
Sensor,
Yes, sensors. This is if you are like off-road, like the road is not good. Okay? So if you press it, the car will not, you will not feel
the suspension will be.
less. Okay? Okay, as you see, if there is only one line, that means save distance between you and the car by 25 meters. Okay,
This is the safest.
save distance between you
save
and the car in front. So if you stop suddenly and you try to stop, you couldn't stop the car, the computer will interfere and it will stop. The car will stop before the crash, inshallah. Okay? So if it is two lines, okay, that's mean 30 meter, 40 meter, 50 meter.
So the minimum is 25.
Yes, maximum is 50.
50.
Okay? Sorry. To off it like that, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now this
Isn't it that if I'm on cruise control and I press the brake, it will reset?
Yeah, also if you press the brake, it will be off. Okay? Now you see this one. If you press it up, the car will change. No, this one.
This one.
This one.
This one. Okay.
Yes. If you press it up, the car will change to the sport mode. It shows here.
Okay.
It will give you more speed, more power.
More torque.
And it will take more fuel.
Fuel.
Down, the normal one. Okay? The handbrake, you know how to use it, sir?
This one? Yeah.
Yes. You know, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. The auto
Why
hold.
is there any special thing?
No,
It's the first.
but some
only
people
this
they
one.
don't know. They're used to the
Yeah. So this one is just like
up
this.
and down, yeah. The auto hold, you know it?
No.
Okay, the auto hold. To activate this, you have to put the seat belt.
Seatbelt, okay.
Okay. After that, if the car is on D and you
Right.
stop in a signal, if
Okay.
you press it, it will hold brakes.
Without, yeah, okay.
Okay, without holding the brake. If you,
It's like the neutral in the handbrake like this.
yeah,
Okay,
but
you
if
have a
you
manual.
press the fuel, okay, want to move, it will move. This is
Okay.
the difference. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So in the middle, it's our shortcut for the screen. This is navigation. This is step back. This is the radio.
Okay.
Home button. This is favorite channel on radio.
Okay.
Volume, and this is the control. Okay.
Sure.
Do you have any questions about
Do I have a copy of the manual or it's in the
it?
one
It is
side?
there inside.
Just there.
The box is, no?
Wala, it's very katir.
Is there anything we missed?
If you have a question, ask. For us, we explain that, yeah. To people. But if
Okay.
you have any questions,
I can't think of any right now, but thank you very much.
Okay, awesome.
How can we open this one?
In the middle.
Give me the.
No, this is manual, okay? But
This
if you
one.
want to open, يعني? You want to open?
She wants to open this one.
This one, push it back. No, no.
This one.
Push it like that. Just one push.
Okay.
Okay.
Then front to close. And if you wanted to open it up,
Tilt.
no,
Just tilt that.
just in the middle, center. This is to open like that.
If you, there is none. Okay.
Yeah. Down if you want to close. Back here. Like you can close.
Like this.
There you go.
So
Okay?
it's closed now.
Yes.
Okay.
Now,
There's still.
it is closed now.
Wala?
Wallah.
It's closed.
Okay.
Closed. No, it's
Okay.
closed. Yeah, yeah.
Who was your sales?
Yeah.
How did she treat you? Good, very good. Looks like.
She's she answered me very well. She provides me the right attention.
Okay. Did I explain to you the car?
You did a great job.
Ayan na, lalabas na. Lalabas na yung bago. Lalabas na yung bagong Mazda CX-30. Babay na daw, babay na.
Bye! Kaya mo na yan, kuya?
Automatic na nagsasarado Huwag siya nag-automatic ng sara. Nag-automatic lang siya. Bakit siya nagkaganon?
Hi, chicks! Happy birthday!
Birthday daw.
Plastic pa yan.
Tanggalin to?
Sige
Tanggalin natin?
lang, ganyan mo lang siya. Ganyan daw yung wag mo muna tanggalin.
Ganyan to talaga para sabihin bago?
Oo, na bago.
Matakot naman yung ganyan plastic. Hindi ka makakita sa likod.
Natakpan ba? Ay, oo nga pala.
Ito. Ito na ito. Laka.
Ano?
Sarado siya eh.
Sige na kung kaya mo pa naman.
Paano nga yan siya? Makikita pa naman. Hindi naman siyang gano'n siguro. Wala, hindi.
Wala, automatic ka sa lahat.
Wala, automatic nga mo.
Wait lang.
I-google mo na nga lang, mahal.
65.
Tanggalin mo nga yung mga
Pilipinis.
puti-puti, mahal.
Ano pati?
Kasi ito may pitik-pitik siya. Oh.
Ano yung pati-pati?
Yung mga sticker niya na kuhaan. Ito. Oh. Kasi gumagano'n siya eh.
Ito ba?
Hindi, ito. Sa labas pa, sa labas.
Ah, sa labas.
Happy ikaw?
Nagda-dry na ako.
Hindi na tayo makakain, no? Kain muna tayo. Siya. Abay.
Ba't nilagyan mo puro pa daw?
Baka tapunan ako ng itlog eh. Wala akong pang-wiper.
Ah, wiper lang.
Wiper lang? Gusto mo, di ba? Gusto mo rin Gusto mo rin
Ako naman, ako naman.
Ikaw. 哎 naman. 哎 Hey.
Ah! Oh!
Gino na! Sige na! Sige ba? O sige ba? Sige mo na! O doon ka na sumakay. Sakay ka na dyan!